this video, I'm going to raise the stakes more than ever before and try something completely different. Within the next 5 days, I'm going to try dropshipping with TikTok ads and give myself a $250 budget to see how many sales I can make. And if I do not finish with a profit by the end of these 5 days, then I'll shave my head. Yeah, I'm scared. So come along with me on this journey to see if I make a profit to buy myself a nice Chipotle burrito, or if I end up having to use this. In my last video, I tried Facebook advertisements for the first time ever on my channel, and it was subpar. I mean, I didn't make a profit, but at least I got a few sales. However, after uploading that video, I sat in my room and began to wonder about the next big thing. When all of a sudden, I got a comment from one of you saying I should try out something called TikTok advertisements. I figured this was either a message from the universe or just from user Bendover69. Anyways, I thought this was a fantastic idea because I've heard running TikTok ads nowadays is like running Facebook ads back in 2017, aka you're basically printing money, which is something I'd say piques my interest. But from that point forward, I was hooked. Now, luckily for me, finding the right product was almost too easy. All I had to do was revive it from the grave. That's right, the mushroom cleaner is back, baby. For those who don't know, this small desktop vacuum made me more than $1,600 in revenue, all organically from TikTok. However, long story short, I chose to take down the store and the product because I ran into so many issues with TikTok's guidelines. But I'd say it's time to run it back, meaning I got to revive my old Shopify website I built for it as well. And obviously, upon your first look, you may notice some changes around the store. I happened to spend a few hours updating a lot of the old photos to higher quality ones, and even redid the formatting of the overall website. And don't worry, because this time around I did not forget to optimize the mobile view. But that's what our store looks like. Now let's take a gander at our profit margins. The overall price of this little bad boy right here, when you factor in costs, taxes, and shipping, comes out to be a little more than $9. So I plan on selling it for $19.95, but make shipping $3.95. That way we're looking at $15 profit for standard shipping and $11 if they take advantage of the email pop-up. And to save you all some time, I went ahead and filmed the ads already. For my ads, I figured I'd make 3 different videos with some changes and variations like the sound and text. In terms of cost, I'm setting the daily budget to $50, and I plan on running this for 5 days. But I went ahead and uploaded all of them into the campaign that I will be running on TikTok, and just like Facebook, I'm gonna have to wait until these are approved. So I will see you guys then. Okay, so our ads just got approved. However, it is the next day, but I don't really mind because as you can see here, our account balance is being spent. We've spent 15 cents so far for 56 impressions, which is not bad at all. Compared to Facebook, 56 impressions would be like $20, so I'll take that for sure. But I will make sure to keep you all updated, so fingers crossed on this one, guys. It's the end of day 1, and as expected with all my challenges on this channel, the first day went We spent only $20 instead of the full $50 because the ads didn't become active until around 9 a.m. Anyways, we only got 1 add to cart and 1 reached checkout, but no sales. However, looking at our ads, we were hitting less than $4 CPMs, which is borderline insane. Zuck's gonna be so mad if he sees this. At the end of the day, I'm just happy that the ads are performing the way they're supposed to be, and we haven't ran into any issues yet. High anticipations for tomorrow though. Let's get it. For day 2, I just let the ads do their thing and check